Amerelle Decorative wall plates come in thousands of combinations, in different styles, colors, and materials, including hard-to-find configurations. Decorative wall plates enhance other finishes in the home, from flooring and woodwork to cabinet hardware and fixtures. And when paired with fresh paint, you have an easy, inexpensive design solution that quickly brings new life to a room, taking it from dated and drab to updated and stylish. With only a small investment, you get an expensive-looking upgrade with big impact. Amerelle Decorative wall plates are an easy, DIY solution with endless possibilities.